Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever heard the buzz about the Internet of Things, or IoT? It might sound super techy, but trust me, it's actually pretty cool and can make your daily life a whole lot easier. Today we're going to break down what it is and how it can bring a little bit of magic into your home, especially if you're a Windows user. So what exactly is IoT? Imagine all the everyday objects around you, your lights, your coffee maker, even your fridge, being able to connect to the internet and talk to each other and to you, often through a smartphone or yes, even your Windows PC. Think of it like giving everyday things a digital brain and the ability to communicate. For example, your smart thermostat can learn your preferred temperature and adjust itself automatically. Or your smart lights can turn on when you arrive home. All thanks to IoT. Ready to dip your toes into smart home world? Let's look at a couple of super easy and popular IoT devices perfect for beginners. First up, we have smart plugs. These handy little gadgets plug into your regular outlets and let you control whatever's plugged into them using an app on your phone or sometimes even directly from your Windows PC. Want to turn on a lamp without getting out of bed? Smart plug. Another great starting point is smart lighting. These aren't just light bulbs. They can often change colors, adjust brightness, and even be scheduled to turn on and off at specific times. And guess what? Many smart light systems have apps that work seamlessly with your Windows computer, allowing you to control your home's ambience right from your desktop. Once you've got the hang of smart plugs and lights, you might want to explore some other cool IoT gadgets. Smart speakers, like the Amazon Echo or Google Nest, can do so much more than just play music. They can answer your questions, set timers, control other devices with voice commands, and sometimes even integrate with Windows for certain tasks. And for a bit of more convenience, consider a smart thermostat. These learn your heating and cooling preferences and can automatically adjust the temperature to save energy and keep you comfortable. Many of them also have user-friendly apps that you can access on your Windows PC to monitor and control your home's climate. Now let's talk about how this all ties into your Windows world. Many IoT device manufacturers create dedicated apps for Windows that let you manage and control your smart devices directly from your computer. This can be super handy, especially if you're already working or relaxing at your desk. Beyond dedicated apps, some devices might even offer web-based interfaces that you can access through your favorite Windows browser. Plus, with features like voice control built into Windows, you might even be able to control some of your smart devices with simple voice commands. The integration is getting better and better, making it easier for Windows users to enjoy the benefits of a smart home. Setting up most IoT devices is surprisingly straightforward. Typically, you'll plug in your device, download the companion app onto your smartphone, or sometimes there's a Windows option right away, and follow the in-app instructions to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. The app will usually guide you through the process of naming your device and connecting it to other smart home ecosystem you might be using. Like any tech, sometimes you might run into a little snag with your IoT devices. One common issue is a lost Wi-Fi connection. If a device goes offline, try restarting your router and then the smart device itself. Make sure your Wi-Fi password hasn't changed recently. Another tip is to ensure your device's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Check the device's app for update options, and if all else fails, don't hesitate to check the manufacturer's website for FAQs or support resources. As you bring more connected devices into your home, it's important to think about security. Here are a few basic tips. First, always change the default passwords on your devices to something strong and unique. Second, keep your home Wi-Fi network secure with a strong password, and consider enabling WPA3 encryption if your router supports it. Finally, be mindful of the permissions you grant to the apps that control your smart devices. Only give them access to the information they truly need. The world of IoT is constantly evolving. We're seeing more and more devices becoming interconnected, and the integration with platforms like Windows is only going to get tighter. Imagine a future where your appliances anticipate your needs, your home automatically adjusts to your preferences, and everything works together seamlessly. It's an exciting time to be exploring the possibility of a connected world. So there you have it, a beginner's look at the Internet of Things and how you can integrate with your Windows life. I hope this gives you a better understanding of what IoT is all about and maybe even inspired you to try out a smart device or two. Remember, start small and explore the possibilities and have fun building your own smart home. If you enjoy this, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can catch every video as it's released.